Well, camera's on. Well, me and Brownie were going to go home from Connors, but this is decided to go on a magical bike ride. I'll show you the scenes and now where the fuck we are. Brownie, where the fuck are we?
Fuck knows. Warden Law Cottages.
Warden Law Cottages. This is just another crazy adventure of our bike ride, isn't it, Brownie? Fucking hell. Trippy shit. Brownie, even though we're in Warden Law, pull the maddest cowie face.
No, I can't pull cowie face.
Aha! Riding along, singing a song. Riding along, singing a song, next to a great big pylon. I bet 90% of my clothes are made with nylon. Jesus Christ. Me heart is gonna stop. I hope goddamn me tire don't pop. Fucking mad as fuck. Well, we'll get another video later when we're nearly completed our journey. Bye.